Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some TigerTough seat covers for Ram 1500 trucks. Let's get into it. All right, these are going to be seat covers from TigerTough for the rear row of crew Ram 1500 trucks. These are sold by the row, so if you want front row seat covers or rear seat covers, you're going to want to make sure that you get the right row. And you can get these in a variety of different prints. As you can see here, this is going to be what they call their sport weave prints, which are camo and different patterns like that. This is packaged here in double plastic, but these are a vehicle specific seat cover. They are tailor fit for your specific year, make, model. A bunch of different options depending on if you have bucket seats or you have a bench seat. This happens to be for the 60/40 split seat in the rear for those crew Ram 1500 pickup trucks. It may fit other models as well, but just make sure that you're checking that year, make, model fitment before making your purchase. As you can see, this is going to be the Urban Viper print, and I believe this is the back of the 60 part of that 60/40 split. You do have a cutout here for what appears to be maybe an armrest or something like that comes out. But you can see here just with this stitching, this is very tight. This is going to be a very tight fit on that seat. It's going to feel almost like a factory cover on that seat. Let's see, we have our big TigerTough logo here. And then there's just going to be Velcro on the back for your installation of this cover. So we've got one here for the 60 part of that 60/40. It's going to be the back. You can tell that because we do have our cutouts here for your headrests. Looks like a center headrest as well. And we're going to have, it's like the bottom for that 60/40 as well. I believe this is going to be the top. And we do have cutouts here for, I don't know, these are child seat cutouts or seat belt locations or something like that. But again, it's a strong, heavy-duty Velcro for your installation. And buried in here, we do have a vehicle-specific installation guide. And I really like how TigerTough does these because they do have, this is specific for the vehicle that you're buying this for. So for the Ram 1500, there's an actual photo of a seat in your truck, how to install it. We got 6 photos just on this one page, maybe even more, and so on. But it's included in the box. No having to scan a QR code or anything like that to see how it's installed. We're going to be installing this in a Ram 1500 truck, so if you're interested in how to install it, be sure to check out that video. Looks like we also have a quality control checklist as well. So everything's in the box when you need it. Nice thing about TigerTough seat covers is they do come with your headrest covers as well. So it looks like we do have 2 big headrest covers and then the little guy for that center seat. And then this is for, looks like for your little armrest. There must be 2 cup holders there on that armrest. And nice coverage for that center armrest. Then we're on to the 40 part of that 60/40 split. Looks like this is a seat bottom here. Again, I don't know if these are child restraint cutouts or for seat belts, but we do have those cutouts built in. Again, it's going to be that strong, heavy-duty Velcro for your installation. And we're going to have our top or back with our cutouts here for the headrests. Again, that heavy-duty Velcro. Looks like this is kind of cut to accommodate the design of that, the back of that seat. So, nice little kit here from TigerTough. Great thing about TigerTough is it is made in the USA. They make all these in their factory in Minnesota. This isn't imported or anything like that. It's truly made in the USA. It does come with a 2-year warranty, and they're pretty generous with their warranty. Any issues, any defects, tears, anything like that, they're gonna take care of you in that warranty window. Another thing about these covers is this is made from the 900 denier. It's a waterproof seat cover. It's going to protect the seat. Also going to keep any moisture out, things like that, protect the value of your truck. Or if you're using your truck for hunting or sport or work or whatever it may be, you're gonna protect those seats and have a nice stylish looking cover as well. And like I mentioned, this is the Urban Viper print. They have a couple of other specialty prints as well, like a snow concealed, a DRT, a few other different fancy prints like this. Or if you're getting this for your work truck and you just need something simple to protect the truck, they also have gray, tan, and black. Whatever you need for your specific trade or for your lifestyle, they're gonna have a style for you. I also mentioned these are waterproof. They're also super easy to clean. So if you do get something on it, you can wash them off really easily, really just with water and a cloth. You'll be able to clean these things off. And at the end of the day, you'd rather get these things dirty than your actual seats. Now, if you're looking for these seat covers or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.